Most home laser engravers on the market are underpowered toys that will burn out after just a few projects. Buying the wrong machine means wasting hundreds of dollars on a paperweight that cannot even cut through thin plywood. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the endless technical jargon and confusing specs while shopping for your first laser engraver? Luckily, we have done the heavy lifting to find you the most reliable options available. Today, I'm going to be going over the best laser engraver that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the LaserPecker LP4. This innovative laser engraving system offers creators a professional tool that perfectly balances advanced technology with very intuitive operation. It specifically targets hobbyists and small business owners who require high-precision engraving results within a very compact workspace footprint. The unit features a dual laser source system that integrates both a fiber and a diode laser for versatility. Constructed with a robust industrial-grade metallic frame, this engraver provides incredible stability during high-speed laser motion and projects. Its compact foldable structure ensures that users can easily store the entire machine away when it is not being used. The device achieves a maximum engraving accuracy of 0.003 mm for exceptionally fine and detailed patterns. Operating with an efficient 10-watt laser output, the system effectively handles various materials including wood, metal, and thick leather. Users can easily control the machine using the dedicated mobile application, which connects wirelessly for seamless project setup and management. Testing shows that the machine maintains consistent cutting performance even when running complex design files for over 3 hours straight. It delivers remarkably crisp edges on diverse surfaces compared to the slower and less precise performance of the xTool F1. The pros include dual laser technology, compact folding design, and high-precision accuracy. The cons include premium price point and complex initial setup. This impressive engraving machine remains a top recommendation for creators who value professional quality in a small and portable package. At number 4, we have the LaserPecker LP2 Plus. This portable engraving machine targets hobbyists who require professional results while working in small spaces or home studio environments. Its sleek frame offers a modern aesthetic that fits perfectly into any contemporary craft room or cluttered workshop desk. The entire unit measures roughly 7 by 2 by 5 inches, allowing for easy storage when not currently engraving. Crafted from high-quality anodized aluminum, the chassis provides excellent heat dissipation during long sessions of continuous creative project work. The sturdy construction feels incredibly solid in hand, suggesting this tool will survive many years of frequent crafting hardware usage. It features a 5-watt laser source that is capable of etching various materials like wood, leather, and dark plastics. Users will appreciate the impressive speed, as it can engrave at up to 600 mm per second during operation. The companion software provides an intuitive interface, making complex designs accessible for beginners and advanced artists looking for simple workflows. During actual testing, the focus beam produced crisp lines on every piece of material we placed under the glass lens. The automatic height adjustment feature ensures that your focus remains sharp even if you are engraving on uneven surface areas. It performs significantly faster than the budget-friendly xTool F1 when handling small, intricate text or detailed vector graphic patterns. The pros include high-speed engraving, intuitive software interface, and excellent material versatility. The cons include limited cutting depth and premium price point. At number 3, we have the xTool S140W. This powerful laser engraver is perfect for professional creators who demand precision and reliability for their complex business projects. Its desktop size ensures it fits comfortably in home workshops while offering enough space for large-scale artistic creations. The machine features a fully enclosed design which prioritizes safety by preventing laser exposure during the entire cutting process. Constructed from high-grade materials, the heavy chassis provides the stability needed for consistent results over very long sessions. This advanced unit utilizes a 40-watt laser module that cuts through thick wood and acrylic with impressive speed. Users will appreciate the intelligent dynamic focus system that adjusts automatically to ensure sharp edges on uneven material surfaces. The integrated air assist system significantly improves clarity by blowing away smoke and debris from the immediate engraving area. You can expect extreme accuracy when working on detailed engravings because the motor control remains smooth at high speeds. During our testing phase, the system successfully completed several complex designs without any noticeable thermal throttling or connection errors. The intuitive software interface makes setting up multiple layers for engraving projects a fast and incredibly user-friendly experience. It performs much faster than the smaller LaserPecker LP4 during deep cutting tasks on thicker sheets of premium hardwood. The pros include high cutting power, exceptional safety features, and user-friendly software. The cons include large footprint and complex initial setup. At number 2, we have the K15 Pro Laser Engraver. This impressive machine is designed for creative hobbyists who demand precision and reliability during their intricate laser engraving sessions. The K15 Pro targets makers seeking professional results without the complexities usually associated with industrial-grade laser manufacturing equipment. Crafted from a robust industrial aluminum alloy, the frame provides remarkable stability even during intense long-duration engraving tasks. Its compact dimensions measure 6.5 by 6.5 by 6.0 inches for easy storage. Weighing only 3.2 pounds, this unit is exceptionally portable for users who need to switch workspaces quite frequently. The integrated high-performance laser module delivers a power output of 3,000 milliwatts for quick and deep etching. It supports a versatile range of materials including wood and leather and plastic, plus dark cardboard for artistic versatility. Connectivity is simplified through a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 connection for seamless wireless control from various mobile devices. During our rigorous testing, the machine demonstrated exceptional accuracy while tracing complex logos onto flat wooden surface samples consistently. It operates remarkably quietly, which makes it an ideal choice for home offices or small studios located in quiet neighborhoods. This device outperforms the basic LaserMaster series when it comes to long-term precision and thermal management capabilities today. The pros include high-precision engraving, solid aluminum frame, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity. The cons include small engraving area and limited material thickness. At number 1, we have the Triumph 50 Dover Fiber Laser. This professional-grade marking machine is perfect for small business owners who require high-speed production and industrial precision results. The industrial design ensures that users can easily integrate this unit into their existing workshops without needing extra floor space. Constructed from heavy-duty reinforced steel, the frame provides incredible stability while you are working on dense metal marking projects. It features a compact footprint of 20 by 25 inches, which allows for placement on most standard-sized office workbenches. The integrated focus height adjustment knob allows operators to easily dial in the exact distance needed for perfect beam alignment. Equipped with a powerful 50-watt fiber source, this laser delivers clean engraving marks on stainless steel and hardened carbon materials. The software suite provides a massive library of preset laser configurations to ensure consistent depth for every single production job. This system utilizes a high-speed galvanometer scanner that enables etching speeds up to 7,000 millimeters per every second. During our testing phase, the cooling system maintains stable temperatures even while running intense marking operations for 8 consecutive hours straight. Users will appreciate how the deep engraving depth allows for permanent identification marks that resist all forms of abrasive wear. This machine offers much greater power output and faster cycle times when compared to the older desktop CO2 lasers. The pros include industrial build, rapid engraving, and user software. The cons include high cost and heavy weight.